This is AI vs. Tuba, where imagination meets courage.
Hello, my name is Princess Tuba. Today, I feel a little sad. Can you help me? I see a red flower. Red is bright. Red is beautiful. Look, the sky is blue. Blue is calm. Blue is nice. Wow, a yellow sun. Yellow is happy. Look, the trees are green. Green is fresh. Green is nice. Wow, pink flowers are here. Pink is soft. Pink is lovely. Look at the orange sun. Orange is bright. Orange is fun. White clouds are soft. White is clean. White is nice. Kids, this is gray. Gray means gray. Kids, this is chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Kids, this is indigo. Indigo, indigo. Indigo, indigo. Kids, learn cream. Cream means Kids, today we learn teal. Teal means teal. Okay. Kids, learn navy blue. Navy blue means navy blue. Kids, this is olive. Olive means Kids, this is lavender. Lavender means lavender. Kids, this is lime. Lime means Kids, let's learn beige. Beige means Kids, learn magenta. Magenta means magenta. Magenta. Kids, let's learn coral. Coral means coral. Kids, this is peach. Peach, chambe. Kids, this is black. Black means black. Brown trees are strong. Brown is warm. Brown is good. Gold is shiny, gold is bright, gold is special. Kids, today we learn turquoise. Turquoise means turquoise. Kids, this is maroon. Look, rainbow. So many colors, so much joy. Wow, today I learned so many colors. Red, blue, yellow, green. All colors are beautiful, and I feel happy inside. Thank you, my friends, for helping me learn.
We love learning! We love Princess Tuba!
I love you too, my little scholars.